Yo, we are back. I've been feeling like crap the last few days, but I'm pushing it out today because we got some spice. We're going live. Quick here to update you guys. I want to update you on our live trades. I want to show you what I'm looking at the market. It's a little spicier than it has been, I don't know, the last month or two. Welcome back. Smash the likes and subscribes. This is not going to be a long one because I'm going live with Miss Teen Crypto and Wendy at 4 p.m. It is 3:15. That does not give us a lot of time. So let's hype up those likes. Let's hype up those subscribes. And let's get into the TA. So as you can see, we're starting with the Bitcoin chart. Today for the Bitcoin price, 23,500. Things are looking not so bad. They are looking kind of crappy for our short. Our short did get stopped out. Got stopped out. If we look at our fills here, I have reopened very tiny. Looking to reopen higher. I have moved our limits a little bit up. I'm feeling a little less comfortable to 24444, going for 25444. We filled 5 contracts after stopping out. I don't know. It looks like hundreds. You can see these negatives. Negative 150, negative 76. However, we did take profit down at 19.9. And that covers that. So that position's, I think it squeaked out with maybe like a $5, I don't know, like a $5 overall profit, something small. I put it in the Discord. Speaking of that, jump in the Discord, smash the likes and subscribes. And let's just jump into the TA and get at it, right? Let's get after it. Here's really what I wanted to show you guys. We had been looking at this, I don't know, since the 14th. I don't even know what date it is, the 19th, on Market Cypher B. Shout out to Market Cypher, our sponsor. Market Cypher B, we were watching this on the daily, and we got kind of what we were hoping for. I'm pretty stoked about this. I'm pushing the energy out. Oh, I still not feel good, but pushing it out. Here's what we were looking for. If you go back and look at our streams on like the 14th and 15th on the daily, we saw momentum go back to negative, and we were hoping, fingers crossed, that we'd see that momentum pick back up, and we have. This is excellent. This is excellent. After weeks and weeks and weeks of waiting for the daily money flow, we see that here in red to roll over. We caught that on our first lower high, or whatever you want to call it, lower high down here on the 19th. That's still playing out. That was our first sign that the daily was going to look to roll over to positive money flow, and we have never been closer. All right, that's an exaggeration. We've been closer. But we are at the cusp. VWAP pushing up, momentum pushing up, and money flow reaching that beautiful zero mark. So what do we have? What do we even have in the way? Not much. 25.3. This is why I've adjusted my order a little bit. 25.3 was our previous swing low back in May. It's also right about where our 618 retracement is. So you can draw a little box here. We're going to look for resistance or potential profit taking on longs in this zone right up here. In between, not really a lot. Here's what we got. In the next 4 hours, we have basically one daily price point, and that is right here. I'm going to add the price label for you, 22,562. In today's candle, in the next 4 or 5 hours, closing above 22.5 is really going to drive home a test of 25.6. We're seeing this not just in Bitcoin, but across alts as well. Basically, this pattern. We saw a swing low in May, some consolidation before we dropped lower, and now what we're looking for is a back test of that previous support as resistance. If we jump over to the Ethereum chart, loading. Jumping over to the Ethereum chart, we can see Ethereum made its approach, hit our 1420 before moving higher. Here's where we're at. Let's throw it onto the daily time frame. Boom, right here. Same deal. Ethereum at 1700, we had previous support. We broke it. We fell lower. The rest is history, and now we're reaching back up to that 1700 mark. This is essentially the same thing. If you look at the retracements, we can argue they're a little different. Not quite the exact same. I don't know. We'd have to really force it to make this look right. But it's the same technical pattern. We're looking for that previous support at 1700 to be tested as resistance. And it looks like it's in the cards, man. It looks like it's in the cards. Momentum is up on MACD for the daily. We're seeing new highs. Market cipher B, same thing as Bitcoin. We're seeing that daily money flow roll over. You can actually even see that we had this drawn there earlier from previous streams. I'm a little psyched. I'm not super psyched. Hopefully you guys are feeling some good vibes from this. I'm enjoying the green, but the problem is we just have so much in the way. So much in the way. Of course, I'm always bullish on Bitcoin. That doesn't mean it's always going to go up. But we have so much in the way. We have 25,000, as we were discussing just a moment ago, 25,000, even if that weren't to hold as resistance, even if we were to see price push through there, there's still a lot of places. This is a lot of price points in the way. If you look at our 1618 sitting at about that 48,000 level, geez, it's been a long time. That was a macro level here we played on this channel over the last 2 years. That still doesn't really get us out of trouble. Looking at the measured move at 57, things start to get a little more comfortable, or 59 if we can make it all the way up there. But that is a huge jump. Just because we've moved to 23 doesn't necessarily mean we're all of a sudden putting our sights, I don't know, at 150% move. Seems a little far-fetched. I will say the daily is looking strong. We have 5 hours. 5 hours to close this daily in a good condition, and things are looking nice, at least for the short term or medium term future. The problem is, and as I've just said, maybe I'm repeating myself, basically what we're seeing the last time we streamed, and that was a few days ago, we were saying this whole market is looking for a relief. It's looking for some kind of relief bounce. It's been way too long of just selling, and we're finally getting it. We're seeing coins return to their previous support levels. Bitcoin, fingers crossed, is making it up there as well. If it does, I do plan to, as again, open or reopen the short that we got stopped out of. It's all right. I'm pretty excited. Or maybe, I don't know. Am I excited? A little bit. There's a few coins I'm excited about because they've played pretty well. This one going to be our best one, I think, in a little bit here. Matic soaring, hitting that 618 retracement. But if we really look at it, we can say maybe it's just returning to this consolidation, this previous support. But I think Matic really does break the mold here. We see a bunch of coins kind of played out this way, where they had a support level for Matic that was 60 cents, fell lower. We looked to enter a long. We did enter a short up here, but our long's still open, currently at 140-ish% up. This kind of breaks the mold. If this was Bitcoin, we would have seen something maybe like this. We were looking for a return to that previous support as resistance. Matic breaking the mold here and pushing up higher, reaching to that 618 retracement. Hopefully it can keep pushing. And if it does, hopefully that means the rest of the market is going to follow suit. I think the key alpha best info you can get today, guys, is look for charts like this. Charts where coins have not just pushed back into that previous support zone, but maybe broken a little bit. Pushed a little higher, and there's possibly some plays out there, some spicy plays. I don't know what other coins look like this, honestly. I've spent the last 2 or 3 days sleeping because, I don't know, maybe I got some of the coof. Maybe I got to coof again. I hope not. I'm feeling okay. Even though the energy in this market is feeling better, I'm not. I'm not quite there yet. You know, this brings me to an interesting idea. Maybe we should look at total. Should we look at total? I didn't plan any of this episode. I just went live because I wanted to squeeze in a live before. I went on with Miss Teen Crypto and Wendy O on Miss Teen Crypto's channel. We don't have much time. Till that. Total market cap. All right. So total market cap. This maybe is the best summary of everything that I just said. We had a consolidation or a support. It looks like at 1.12 trillion back in May. Fell lower, and now total's looking to backtest that previous support as resistance. What happens there is anyone's guess. I'm not a fortune teller, but it does look pretty probable. that it's looking for a 1.12 trillion test. That was also the major support back there last year during the summer. And what's kind of spicy, I guess, on this chart is the previous all-time high on total. This was resistance. Dragged it on over 4 years later, potentially seeing support. So what happens on total at 1.12 trillion? Probably going to be pretty big. If we see a push through that previous support, I think the whole market is going to see some upside and some further retracement. If we see a harsh rejection, well, I think we're back to Goblin Town. So let's hope we don't see this play out. Let's hope we see something like this play out. That would be pretty beautiful. Maybe total market cap has some secrets for us. Not really. VWAP's up, that's cool. Momentum's moving back up. Money flow, with this V-shaped top, I think we can say it's looking to roll over, but I'm a little hesitant to necessarily make that call. Not enough info there, really just a V bottom. I would feel better if we had seen something like this, something that would reflect the daily time frame with these lower lows, higher lows. That's telling us it's looking to roll over. Wow, total market cap actually looking pretty beastly here. The only thing I don't like on the daily there is that VWAP is flattening out. I'd like to see a little more push to the upside. How's that looking on the hourly? Man, just clear skies. Clear skies. You would think I would be hyped. Whew. This dang coof, man. This is like the 80th time I've gotten it too. I don't know. Anyway. Bitcoin. Let's look at some low time frames. Actually, let's pull up Femex. Shout out to Femex. Let's go on this low time frame. Opening small into the wind as price continues to move to the upside. What am I feeling? Wow. Yeah, 30-minute ha, man. That thing is just soaring. It's pretty nuts. It's pretty nuts to short into this at the moment. Honestly, if you're looking to take a short position, not financial advice. We don't do financial advice. Probably going to wait a little higher. Like we have these orders spread out here because we were jumping the gun. Really, I just threw 5 on there so I could have some kind of net short position. That's a really small position. We're down 3% and we're down less than $1. You can tell how small this position is. It is a $20, $30 position. We're looking to like 10x, 40x the size of that as price moves up. Man. Let's see. If you haven't liked and subscribed and jumped in the Discord, you should. Today, I'm doing my best just to push out some energy, just to be live because it's been a while. Ethereum on the 1 hour. Looking interesting. What I do like is it's maybe I should just be sick more often and sleep more, because basically the whole time I've been sleeping, momentum has been up. I guess the old homage, the watched kettle never boils, seems true. Seems true. I watched this every single day, and I didn't watch it for like a weekend, and everything gets kind of spicy. Look at this 4 hour. Momentum is up. It's holding. Money flow is pulling up. VWAP is rolling back to that positive side. I like everything about this right now. This is Ethereum. We even see momentum potentially pinching again here. We have 30 minutes till this 4 hour closes, and 1700 looking very likely. Looking very likely. We watched as it rejected from the same price 3 times, and we said this sucks, but it does weaken the resistance here. So the next time we tap it, we're going to be looking for a higher low. What did we get? We got a tap. We got a higher low. We moved to 1420. Now we're looking for 1700 Ethereum. Actually, very spicy right now. This indicates to me that the ETH-BTC pair likely making some gains. Let's hide this because it's going to have a ton on here. Likely making some gains and weird. Made some gains. Now it looks like it's lost some gains. That's odd. Look at the rejection. Wow. 6 hours ago, it looks like FBTC took a hammering. Maybe we should add this back on. What were we looking for last time? A big old diamond, maybe. Maybe this is more like a channel, though. This could be some kind of falling channel. I don't know. The flippening. Man, weren't those good times when people were talking about the flippening all the way up there? Didn't happen. But there's still time. Still time. Let me see. What other charts do we have open? ADA. ADA finally making some kind of move, breaking a higher high. Excellent. That's what we've been waiting for. Did not drop down, did not break its May low. That puts it in pretty good condition if it can still close strong today. Man, this is a pretty sketchy next 4 hours. We've got a pretty sketchy 4 hour ahead of us. We really want to see this market continue to the upside. If we see selling into the end of this day, it actually could put a damper on the gains that we've made over the last 24 hours. We're really, really close to making some progress. Here we go. So, talking about Matic, here's XRP. This was not our favorite chart, right? We didn't like what was going on here. XRP pushing past July 8th's high. Now we really want to see June's high. A break of 38 cents, as we've been saying, puts us kind of right back where we're talking about with Ethereum, with all these other charts. I'm really hunting for charts that look like Matic. Charts that look like Matic. I don't know if XRP quite looks like Matic yet. I think we're going to need to see a break of 38 cents yet before it is too Matic-esque. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby, though. That money flow. Market Cipher showing some strength on the day for XRP. ADA as well. ADA looked a little uglier with these negative momentums. We had kind of rejections on the positive momentum side. And finally, that's reaching back over to positive money flows, rolling with it in VWAP strong. ADA actually looking incredibly decent on a strong close today. Incredibly decent. Maybe there's a play to be made at 48 cents. If we have a strong close today and retracement tomorrow, that may be a great place to look to take along. Not financial advice. What's up? FTM is up. XEM is up. ETC. Whoa, ETC is up. That makes me a little nervous. Last time ETC was up, things got weird, man. What's FTM doing? They had some kind of problems, though, right? FTM on the monthly found support so far, 24 cents. Even though it's up a huge amount today, 40 cents is going to be some kind of resistance on the monthly for that bullish engulf. Honestly, that is alert worthy. FTM trading above 40 cents. Going to be something worth looking at. I don't remember what the deal was with FTM, but it's enough to make me not really interested in trading it. That's up to you. Make your own decisions. Oh, yeah. I don't know, though. You have that low. You consolidated. Now you're back. Everything is so close to making fire moves. I'm trying not to get pumped off of it. Trying not to get too excited because that's when it gets you. That's when the market gets you. What do we got? I'm really liking the way total's moving here. Let's zoom in on total. Resistance. Just under a trill. We're just over a trill. Our lows came up. I don't know, guys. I don't know, man. Yeah, this is a hard call. It's nice that things are up. It's nice that things are green. But here's kind of my worry. Here's my worry. If we look at our highs here, let's just connect our highs, right? It doesn't even matter how really you connect them. You can use any highs you'd like. Yes, today's candle is above those highs. If we look at our horizontals, looks good there too. But you can see how this might not play out in the exciting manner. With 4 hours to go, so we should probably be looking at the 4 hour. Okay. I do like that closing just below the diagonal, closing just below this high trend on the 4 hour. We have 30 minutes to go, and we have one more 4 hour left. There's a lot of threat. Selling into the end of this day can really make this rally look like crap. But if it holds into this daily close, things can look really good. You may look for 22.5, something maybe along these lines. I could see that. That would... I keep looking for this broadening wedge pattern because that's what we had last year in summer. Maybe that's erroneous. Maybe I shouldn't be. Maybe I shouldn't be. That's actually looking kind of channelish. I just don't see a pattern yet. Like, what pattern do we have? Maybe we had some kind of ascending channel, and we're gonna look for like a break and then a test of the high trend as support. That's a hard sell, man. That's not a very probable pattern, even though everything is possible. Not a super probable pattern. Huh. Indicators say up. I don't know. NEM is running. NEM ETC, what is this, 2017? I bet everything is like just right below its previous monthly. I bet that's what's going on here. Or this like retracing. Nope. ETC and a bullish engulfing on the monthly. Sure. Why not? Sure. Okay. I don't even know what to say about that. Looks like it found some kind of support at 1620. Now trading 25.50. 23.78 was the price to beat for this month, and it's got it. I don't think anyone was expecting an ETC run. I don't know. People are talking about ETC and the shift of ETH to ETH 2.0 and how miners might jump over to ETC. I don't know. There's plenty of coins to mine. I guess ETC is the Ethereum chain pre-fork. I guess. I just don't really know how that would drive value. Like, why would miners like be buying it or something? Maybe it's just speculation. I don't know. I'm not so sold on that. But we'll keep an eye. I still have a bunch of it. Where are you? I'll keep an alert. Put an alert 28.55. Running to run through everything. I only have a few minutes left. And then you can come join us on the Miss Teen Crypto Show. On my Twitter, I retweeted it. Oh, I don't even know if I tweeted this. I don't even know. I just like threw this all together. Let's see. Yes, let me retweet that. Retweeting. Tweet, retweet. Here we go. Where is this? Oh my. Here we go. I'll put this in chat. I know, I'm just going to like tease you guys. I'm just going to tease you. There's the link for 4 o'clock, so that's like really soon. QNT, we slayed it. So yeah, let's pull that up. Let's pull it up. QNT, man, we were looking for, I don't know, like 85 to break. Now we're at 111. 92 smashed. I could see back test to 92. But QNT is actually in pretty good condition. I don't really know what QNT is or why people are buying it. But what I can say with confidence is, like I said about Matic, this is the kind of chart. Here's your homework. Go out, find charts. Find charts that May's lows are acting as resistance, and we have a flat top resistance there. We had that kind of here with QNT as we were speculating upside on it. Next upside target on QNT, man, 150. Like, retracing this entire piece, sure. Why not? Let's throw this down. 175. Yeah, that's close enough to 150. And that's it. That's it, man. Look for these charts. This is my best advice to you. Go forth. Go forth. Look for these charts. Look for these. May's low, resistance, flat top, higher lows, Matic, QNT. I'm sure there are others out there. I don't know what they are off the top of my head. Oh yeah, baby.
Crown. What POW projects you like?
What? POW? Sure, POW would be my favorite POW. No, I mean, you got Bitcoin, you got Litecoin. What other POWs are there, man? Doge, I like Doge. That's 100 air. I feel like you know the answer to that question, but I appreciate the softball. VTC super unknown, although I feel like it's only available on Bittrex, and so that's like, I feel like that makes it a little sketchier. Not necessarily that Bittrex is sketchy or that the coin itself is sketchy, but just that the liquidity might be sketchy. What else do we got? I've been a DGB fan, but I actually learned that DGB might have been pre-mined. And it wasn't like a pre-mine, and I don't know, the way other things have done it. I think they gave it to like community members and such, but like that makes me not love it as much. The answer is anything that's proof of work, anything that is proof of work that is not pre-mined. Sorry, DGB, if you were. I mean, I'm still gonna hold you, still believing in you. But there aren't that many. The things that I will say are truly decentralized. Those are what I like. All right. I don't have enough time to do anything else, guys. Jump in the Discord, like and subscribe. I know this was just like a blue ball of a stream, but I'm feeling a little better. We're going to be feeling right as rain here in a day or two, and we'll be live again every day. Smash the likes and subscribes. Join me in a little bit. I need to like go pound a Monster energy drink, or actually no, a Gamer Subs energy drink. Get my energy up. I'm going to be live on Miss Team Crypto's channel in like 20 minutes. I love you all. Sorry I've been sick, but I promise I'm doing better. Catch me there. Catch me outside. Hope you guys are enjoying the beautiful weather. Crown out.